Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide the user with an overview on the object model. The object model is made up of standard and custom objects within the DecisionLender platform. Standard refers to the generic objects, and custom refers to the objects that were created specifically for your company. An object is a data point in DecisionLender. The object can be many different things. For example, it can be an entity that exists in the business, such as an applicant, employer, collateral, etc. It may also be a formula, a unique identifier, or a relationship between entities. How to review objects within DecisionLender. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Customize tab on the sidebar menu. Click on the Object subtab. The page will display the standard and custom fields. The left side of the page will display the schema names. If you click on the schema name, all objects associated to that schema will appear. For this example, we will click on Application. All fields, both standard and custom, if applicable, for this application schema will appear. It will display the name of the field, the type of field it is, and the label as it will appear within the application. Once a standard or custom object and/or field is created, it may then be applied to a page within DecisionLender. This is performed by your system administrator using the Show Object Model button when it appears throughout different setup functions within DecisionLender. This will be covered in the upcoming Advanced Object Model video. How to sync objects in DecisionLender. Additional fields may be added to the generic object model. To ensure your site has the most current object model, you will need to sync the standard objects. To sync standard objects, click on the Customize tab from the sidebar menu and then click on Objects. Click on the Sync Standard Fields button. A message indicating that the sync was successful will display. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001 option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.